Available Locksmith provides 24-hour residential, commercial, and auto locksmith solutions. All of our security expert technicians are licensed, insured, and backed by a national service provider with a strong brand name. We not only guarantee the most professional service you will receive, but the quickest solutions to your security needs as well. We are committed to providing the most ethical locksmith services with years of experience in the locksmith, locks, and security services industries. Available Locksmith offers a wide range of commercial locksmith solutions that can be tailored to best fit your business needs by our security advisors. Available Locksmith offers fast, professional, and high-end auto services. Our professional 24/7 auto service is controlled by computerized systems that enable our technicians to perform a precise and damage-free service. Just call us anytime and our green van will be at your location in 30 minutes. Upon accepting our service, you will join our endless list of satisfied customers.